What's up guys, welcome back to the Crypto Show channel. In our space guys full of trucks, hats, dogs and other meme coins out there, the one team has asked themselves, what if we make right now the coin that is class? This coin is called toescoin and it is something a little bit different guys than a usual meme coin project. If you want to learn more about it, definitely stay with me.
I just want to tell you that I'm not your financial advisor. This is not your financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investments.
So here we are right now on the official website of toescoin, toescoin.fun, and every link will be found in the description box down below as the website of this project. As you can see, the toescoin, as you can see on the right side, is something a little bit different. It's simple guys, but it's class. That is right on the whole idea behind this project. As you can see, one more time, we have 10 toes and we have a 10 billion market cap. And right now the toescoin is operating on one of the fastest blockchains out there on Solana. I would say the king of all the meme coins out there, the favorite blockchain on all of them. As you can see over here, we have a smart contract address that you can right now as well copy and paste it to your wallet. And as well we have over here the socials like an X, name it Twitter and a Telegram. Over here on Telegram you can right now join the discussions, be engaged with the community, feel some toescoin energy I would say, and on that way right now get to start to know with the toescoin. On the other side over here on the X, name it Twitter, I'm going to follow them as well. You can expect, I would say, as usual, the major announcements, the major news, maybe some giveaways, airdrops, and normally as you can see a lot of fun guys, and that is something really I would say at the same time funny and at the same time guys the story with a great potential in my opinion. So my high recommendation over here would be for you to over here follow them on the X and Twitter and to join over here the Telegram as well to feel that community. As I have already mentioned guys, the project is simple, but in what terms simple? As you can see, we have the lore, we have the class, we have, as you can see, the toes, because while other print JPEGs and pictures out there, they print toes. One more time, we have right now the space full of frogs, dogs, hats, a lot of meme coins out there that are on the same print I would say. And as you can see, the toes is something different. And of course, when something different is, when something innovative is, that is of course bringing with that potential. As you can see, 10 perfectly polished, perfectly pedicured toes wrapped in a 24-carat ring of solid gold, deployed on the fastest layer 1 blockchain in the game. No tax, no team wallets, no shame. This is right now the whole point and the whole idea right now behind the toes. Down below you can right now see step by step how you can right now get the token name and get the token, the coin. As you can see, the 3 simple steps as usual. Get a Solana wallet. As you can see, they're recommending right now a Phantom or a backpack. It takes 30 seconds if you don't have none. After that, you just need to find a bit Solana, of course, to buy on some exchanges out there, send it to your wallets. And as you can see, swap over here, guys, for Taurus, head to the Jupiter, paste the contact address, hit the swap, and congrats, guys, you have your toes, I would say, but toescoin as well. As you can see, this is going to be their smart contact address one more time in the top right corner, and as well we have down below as well. So overall, as you can see, I can tell nothing more about the toescoin. As you can see, it's simple, it's class, it's different. And as you can see guys, everything has begun of course, for example, with the PEP out there, with just simplicity, and right now we have the toes as well. Of course, guys, this is not a financial advice, please don't reach before making any investments. I'm not a financial advisor guys, it's only for educational information purposes only. But if you ask me guys, this project is really worth of watching in the terms that we have something different, something innovative, and we have the class. You can write down as well in your thoughts and comments below, tell me guys what you think right now about a toes coin, if you want to enjoy it or not. And overall, I would say check the description box down below. After that, you can smash that like, subscribe, it means a lot. That was the Crypto Show, and I'll catch you in the next video.